Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover in San Francisco, located in the heart of downtown. With over 65 vehicles to choose from, we offer a diverse selection of SUVs that combine luxury and performance, ensuring a premium driving experience. You can find us at 901 Van Ness Avenue, conveniently located just 10 minutes from Union Square. We are equipped to service all Land Rover and Jaguar models and provide express services like oil changes, multi-point inspections, wheel alignments, tire rotations, and more. We offer complimentary loaner vehicles with your service appointment, as well as a comfortable guest lounge equipped with amenities such as Wi-Fi and refreshments for those who prefer to wait on site. As advocates for animal welfare, we're proud to be pet-friendly and always welcome leashed pets. Shop with confidence thanks to our Swickered price promise on all new vehicles and our service match guarantee, ensuring you get the best deal possible. Experience the difference, experience something new at Jaguar Land Rover of San Francisco.